Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kartik, and in our previous video we have discussed about arrays iteration, and in this video we are going to discuss about how we can display and understand dates and time in JavaScript. So before getting late, let's get straight into our video. But guys, before getting into our video, make sure that you have smashed the subscribe button. Don't forget to drop a like and also follow me on Instagram. So anyways, let's get straight into our video. And guys, first, as we all know that we have to create a folder first in our let me close all the folders, yeah, and here we have to create a folder, and let's say dates and times, and here we have to create index.html like this. Now guys, we have to first create a boilerplate like this, and let's add our heading like h1 understanding dates and like this, dates and time. So guys, first in JavaScript, date is used to represent date method, or object is used to represent date and time. The date object provides the date and time information and also provides various methods. So we have like create a date object. So we have date, a new date with milliseconds, new date with date string, new date with year, month, days, hours, minutes, seconds and milliseconds. So these are some create dates object, and if you want some written theory like this, so go check out my Coding and Docs website where I added the source code and the theories. So guys, now new date. So you can create a date object using the new date constructor. For example guys, let's first create script, and here let's add what, let's say const, and let's say time now is equal to new date like this. So guys, this is how we created new date constructor. Now if we want to see this out, so let's say document.write, let's say time now. Control S to save, copy the file path, open the browser and just paste, and here you can see guys, Saturday, August 27, 2022 and 13:170, which is my current time. Here you can see which is my current time. So guys, this is how new date constructor works. So now new date milliseconds. So the date object contains a number that represents milliseconds since 1 January, like 1970 UTS. New date millisecond creates a new date object by adding the millisecond to the 0 time, like this. So guys, there are various methods like now method, which returns the numeric values corresponding to the current time, number of the current time, the number of milliseconds elapsed since January 1, 1970 to UTC. So I have listed down many methods, like we discuss about now and discuss about get full year, which gets the years according to local time, get month, gets the month from 0 to 11 according to local time, get date, gets the date of the month from 1 to 31 according to local time, get day actually gets the day of the week to 0 to 6 according to local time, hours, minutes, UTC date, and full year, month, date, UTC date, etc. So guys, now let's move on to our coding process. So here we understand how like we create a const or var, let whatever we want, and assign a variable name to it, and we create a new date constructor, and then we print that out. But guys, now we have to make a full-fledged program where we display our time professionally. So guys, for that we have to just first clear out these, again create a boilerplate, and here guys we have to first, let's add a div, and let's say h1 displaying date and wait a second, date and time, display date and time. Actually it's displaying date and time. Yes, now it is h1, and let me refresh the page. you will see displaying date and time. So guys, now we have to just let's create a button. Before that, before getting to our JavaScript, we first style our page, style, body, and now here let's add background color to what? Let's say gold. Then let's add family, font family, and let's say monospace. Let's see, wait, okay, yeah, now that's looking better, much better. And text align to center, yeah, like this. So it is looking much better. So guys, now let's dive into our JS part. So here we have to create here we have to create our script tag, and we have to create a function, and let's say listen, let's say function name will be listen, and here let's add a get method. Now guys, here we have to just create a variable, and let's see display date is equal to new date, like this. And guys, now we have to add document dot write display date, like this. So we are done with our JS part. So I know you all are wondering, hey Kartik, just a little bit of JS. So yeah, for doing this we have to just write 4 lines of program. You know how easy is that? So guys, now here we have to add a button for displaying this. So not a button, let's add a let's add a button actually, and see id to out, and on click, not on load, on click, and let's say listen, like this, listen. Then we have to add this, like this, and let's say what, let's add display date. Control S to save, and let's refresh. So you can see our button. And now let me open the console and the moment of truth. Here guys, you can see our date and time is presented on our screen, like Saturday, August 27, 2022, 13/6/32. Here you can see my current time. So guys, I hope you understand the date and time in JavaScript, and in the next tutorial we are going to discuss more about JavaScript. So for that, bye bye, see you later and take care.